All right, congratulations. Your website is now complete. And today's the big day. You're actually going to be logging into your website and you're going to be manning your own ship. So I know you're probably thinking, like, hey, but I paid for a website design. You are exactly correct. You paid for a website design. Now it's time to actually manage your business, right? It's time to enter in your content. It's time to get your prices together, your descriptions, your products, etc. So you're thinking like, Jacoby, I'm not computer savvy. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never used a computer ever before, right? I don't use a cell phone every day. So I am computer illiterate. The good thing is that you don't have to be literate at all to be able to follow instructions. With this video, we're basically going to be putting the red with the red, the blue with the blue, the green with the green, 1 plus 1 equals 2, etc. Right? So it's all drag and drop material. So don't be intimidated. Just follow the work, do the work. If you want to be an entrepreneur, these are some of the things that you're going to have to do in your business. Now, if you're just super lazy or you just don't have the time at all, then go ahead and hire us to do the information for you. But I'd rather you save the money. So put that money into marketing versus putting that money into us actually doing work that should only take you an hour to do. So I'm going to make this quick video. We're only about a minute in, and I'm going to show you guys how to enter in products. I felt like it was important to get that speech out. So let's get right to it. So first, I want to show you what the website looks like with no products in the website. So when it loads up, this is what it looks like on desktop. Of course, if you made it this far, do you understand that 95% of your customers are going to see it on mobile? So it will look perfectly fine on their phone. They would never even see this view. So not a big deal. All right, so I've already entered in some products, and while I was entering in products, I got inspired to make this video, right? So this is how to enter in products on the Instashop. If you have a bigger size theme or a more advanced website, it is a little bit different to enter in products. All right, so first thing first, let's just imagine it's nothing here. It has no products. You just click this little blue button here that says add product. Simple enough. So I selected all products. Let me start from scratch. Almost skipped a step. So if I'm at home and I see this screen, I select products. I select add products. Now don't go against trying to figure this out your own way. If you get something in the mail from Amazon and it has instructions and you don't read the instructions, it's a little bit harder to put together versus just taking the time to read the instructions.
Okay, ready? One more time. Ready? Put your hand on your chin.
I did that already. How many times you want me to do it?
You ready? Go a little harder. Maybe one more time. Maybe just one more time. 1, 2,
What
3.
is this?
Put your hand on your chin. Look as hard as you can. Go. Wow. On your chin, love. On your chin.
Oh my
on
God.
your chin.
All right, so follow my video instructions. All right, so adding the product here, I'm actually going to pull up a client's email because a client actually, perfect example, she didn't want to enter in her own products, and she paid the additional to enter in for us to enter in the products for her. And that's why we're able to make this website package so affordable for you, is because it is self-service, it is drag and drop. That's why the price is so affordable. So, we wanted to be able to cater to everyone. So this client sent me an email and she wants me to enter in products for her. All right. And I'll reiterate that again, that this was additional for us to enter in these products. So let's say if I grab this picture here, I just save it to my computer. And she put like a small description under it. I'm gonna just copy this description, copy it. Boom, drop the description in there. So again, I don't know the descriptions for your product, so you have to enter in your own description. I can either click add file, or I can just drag that last picture right here, then it'll show. All right. Okay, so I'm glad this picture did that. It's sideways for whatever reason. You just gotta click inside of this picture and let's try resize. Nope. Let's try a square. So there we go. So we figured this out, boom, and I hit save. So now the picture is showing properly. All I did was click in the image to pull up that screen. So yours shouldn't normally show like that. It doesn't normally show where the picture shows sideways. I don't know why I did that, but if it does, all you do is click the picture and you hit this, your resize, crop and rotate here. All right, so let's just say I don't know the price, so I'm just gonna put a price in and she can go and change this price later. So $29.99. Compare at price basically means it will show that it's on sale for $10 different. So it'll show $39.99 slashed out, and then it'll have $29.99. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Profit margin is something that you will see, customers won't see. So let's say she paid $10 for this dress. It's showing you that her profit margin is 66%. She's making 20 bucks. Inventory wise, I personally don't like to track inventory. If you're drop shipping, you don't have to worry about tracking inventory. If you're at a business where you're growing and you actually have inventory, then track the inventory. I don't do SKU numbers and I don't do barcodes. So any questions about those, you will have to reach out to Shopify. I just usually uncheck this button so I don't track the quantity. And then the country, customer origin, I skip past all of this stuff right here. I get right to where it says variants. I don't know what harmonized system code, or I've never used that in 6 years of using Shopify. I do variants. So if you click inside the variant box gives you different options. So like this is clothing, so my options I would most likely use would be size. So if I did small, it doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase. I can do small, enter, medium, enter, large, enter, extra large, enter. And then let's say this dress had colors. I can select add color option, add another option, and it automatically picked up color. But if I don't want color, I just click in the box and I can change it to material, styles, title, or whatever I want to be. So usually clothing will either be color or size. So I don't have to worry about this other stuff. Again, this is more advanced stuff. So I'm just gonna hit remove right there because I don't care about the color. Right now it's saying quantity 0 on all my products. So, but once I save it, that's not gonna show. You also can attach it to a collection here, but that's on another video. I'll show you how to do that. And you can literally click here and you can attach it to a collection right in this setting. So I'm gonna save that here. The product is done. So realistically, the video could end here. It took me 3 minutes to show you how to add a product as far as in your store. But I wanna do one more product and then I'm gonna show you how to add it to your home page of your theme. So we're gonna create another product, or I can click duplicate. The fastest way for me to do this is honestly just selecting duplicate. Because if I select duplicate, it's gonna grab all the variants here at the bottom and I don't have to enter them in again. It's also gonna grab the description and all that. So if I select duplicate, I can make it available on all channels. And it's actually not allowing me to copy the images or anything. So usually it'll allow you to like click one of these. I'm just gonna select duplicate. Now go back to the client's images. Save this image to my computer. All right, it duplicated because it says copy of eye catcher. But I know this product isn't called eye catcher. So I just have to use context clues. It's not hard at all. Just copy this information that the client sent. All right. This is work that, like, again, to reiterate that if you're trying to run a business, you got to be prepared to do some work. So here, I dropped the new description in. I dragged over the picture. I'm going to change the name from copy of eye catcher. Copy it. Paste it. All right, and for whatever, oh, there it is. It size is set properly that time. Save it, and it's done, right? Because all I did was duplicate, everything else stayed the same. So we got products added. Now I'm going to show you how to add them to the actual theme. So it really only took about three to 4 minutes to do this. I did a lot of talking, but I wanted to get that information out. So now to get to actually putting those products on your home page of your website, because again, if I look at the website, just because I added products to the back office, I did not add them to the front office. So you have to add products to 2 different places. You add the products to the back office, and then you add them to the actual theme by going to customize. Go to customize to add the products to the actual theme. So look down. Now, no products are still on my website, right? This is the front page of the website, but I'm going to go inside of the actual theme by selecting customize. All right, so if you've already watched the main video, then you have a basic understanding of everything to the left. Wait till it loads. It hasn't loaded up yet. All right, so it's still loading, but everything to the left here controls everything to the right. So everything is in order. Your setup instructions tells you right here, if you want to click this, you can turn this off, the virtual guide. You can click that and turn it back on. Favicon scroll bar is just, your favicon is like these little symbols at the top. See like the Shopify symbol, the Slack symbol, Shopify symbol, that's called your favicon. Scroll bar is this little gray scroll bar here. I can make the scroll bar a different color if I want. Right, see now it's red. All right, but we're not doing scroll bars. I'm just showing you that everything is in order. Loading screen is the loading screen. So this is if you want to drop a logo in or something like that. You would basically click this and you would upload a logo for your loading screen. But this video isn't about a loading screen. So I want to keep scrolling down. So we want to get all the way to the point where it says image and video. Because stories are stories. So if its stories are here, what's next? This box. This box says image and video. So you can actually put an image or a video in this box. And then right under here, it says text, about us, about us. So this text, if I change this, it'll change there. All right. I can change the font. I can do all that, right? But this video isn't about that. I just wanted to show you how to get to it. So this says products. So it's 2 blocks of text. Then it says products. So right now, products and then parallax. Parallax is like this box area here, and it says parallax, where you can add a picture in the background. But I want to click products. There's 2 ways for me to add products. I can either do one at a time, like a single product, or I can do a collection of products. So if I want to do a single product, I'll click single product, click that, boom. Make it half width, single product, another single product, essentials. I don't want it to be big like that, so I just make it half width. All right, and I click that box to bring it back up. Add content, single product, eye catcher. So it's already 2 eye catchers in here because it looks like my team member had already created that. So I just make it smaller. Single product and gold cuff. So now I make the half width again. So if I make it full width, it looks big like this. If I make it half width, it goes into the 4 box area like that. All right, so I got 4 products added to the home page. Save that, and that's it. That's it for adding products to your website. Of course, you can get freaky and you can add.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You can get freaky and you can add another, set of products. You click this, add a section. You can click products. You can add products, and now you can add a whole nother set of products right under the parallax area or whatever area you want. So boom, add a product, single product. Pretty in pink, right? and I have it half. So now if I save it, I have 4 products here, parallax area, 2 products. Also, it basically the exact same here. If you look to the left, I have text, about us, text. This is where you enter your text. Products, 4 products. So I put my 4 products in because in products, I got 4 products. Parallax area. This is where you drop and you grab like a picture and you make it like look in the background. So I just grab a picture. You grab any picture. Let's say if I want to grab this picture here. That would then be in the background. And you can change the text. All right, cool. You can change the button. So like you can click button, you can change the color, you can change the text. So this should be enough to kind of better explain how to do everything here. Yeah, so if you have any questions, make sure you reference back to our videos. All right, that's it.